How to set a song as your ringtone on Android. Want to use your favorite song as your ringtone but not sure how? I am Rose and in this video I'll show you how to set a song as your ringtone on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. To set a song as your ringtone on Android, you will first need to have the song audio file downloaded to your device. You can use any MP3, MP4 or WAV audio file you like. Then you have to navigate to settings. Scroll down and look for the options of sound and vibration. Select ringtone option. Currently it has been set to solitude. You can choose the on this device option and select any song from the music section or recording. So let's choose a particular song that you have downloaded. And then you can choose the custom ringtone for your Android device. So that's how you can set a song as a ringtone on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.